So good thing about Powerapps is the system created a form for us automatically, and this is the function that submits that form. You don't have to specify each of the field one by one. Just say submit form and the name of the form. The form is right here. It's getting difficult to locate. So this is the form right here. The form is edit form 1. So let's leave it as edit form 1 anyways. That's not the focus right now. So it just submits the form, and that's the end. That's not nice. So let's say you need to notify your users as often as possible in plain languages. As often as possible, you need to notify your users. So say notify. I'm actually expecting it to give me the intelligence. Okay, anyway, not yet. Notify record saved. Say customer record saved successfully, and it has different parameters. So what kind of message do you want to pass? Is it a success message? Is it an error message? Is it an information message or a warning message? Each of these parameters have their color conventions. So warning is orange, success is green, and information is blue, error is red. So you need to also attach the appropriate kind of color. You don't send success message with red color, do you? So right, that's okay right here. So let's go back and run. Right, run whatever login, create, age 33, Manitoba, Canada, Derek Green, +1 blah 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 1. Yeah, no, and then just pay attention to this line right up here and save. Could you see customer record saved successfully? And it takes some few moments to fade off. However, you can take the control of how long it takes to fade off. So let's go back there and say no, we're not here. It's create and modify right here, and let's put a time into it. Timeout is 3 seconds. So this is, we are going to be typing in milliseconds, so it's going to be 3000 for 3 seconds. Always remember to give a considerable time for your users to read. So let's say we save, customer record saved successfully, 3 seconds, and it's gone. Right, so let's do another kind of message box, another kind of information page. So let's create a new screen. So we have some templates here. Let's pick on success. So we've got that. Let's name it as SCR success. Right, and let's put a button right here. And let's just say this is okay. Okay, continue. That's just a label, that's not a command yet. okay, continue. And where do we want it to go to? Up. Let's go back to customer list. So on the select property of this button, remember the select is in charge of the action that happens when you click. So let's say navigate to customer list. Any transition, let's say fade, and that's it. In Powerapps, you use semicolon to end a statement if another statement is coming behind it. Right here, it's actually not needed. So okay, so after we have saved and the message has been sent, let's say navigate to success, let's say fade, or let's make it more visible. Transition type, cover right, maybe. Okay, let's save, make it a culture if you have not. So let's run, login, create new, save, customer record saved successfully, and this was successfully completed. Then okay to continue, right back, and that's it. So you could see that we have actually taken control of our application. And as well, if you are done with the application and you think and you want to put a login, okay, let me give you that as an assignment. Okay, introduce another button here on each of the pages for logout. Let me give you a hint of exit. We have any control like that? Oh, okay, let's look at the list of the icons that we have. Icons, which one looks like exit? For the fun of it, let's jet out through here. Let's say this is for logout. And let's change the tooltip property. You could check it from here. Log. Let's complete the rest here so that you could see how it works together. Tooltip log out. So let's do that. Login right here. This right, never mind, and log out. Oh, I think we've got something wrong. Tooltip is log out, and all right, the action on select element B on select, say navigate, go back to login, no transitions. So we run this and click on exit, we go back here. So see you in the next video. We have made modifications to our very first program by introducing the login page and by making some edits around the user interface and a host of that. So see you in next video. You can try and play around yours, do as many things as possible. And for libraries of functions in Powerapps, I'm going to drop that Microsoft site where you have the library of functions and methods in Microsoft. I'll be dropping that in this video, so you can look around, play around, exercise yourself, flex your muscles. You see that in a very short while you actually be proud of yourself. You actually get yourself into where you have never dreamt to be, or in fact where you have always dreamt to be. So thank you. Always remember to save. Thank you for watching this far. Thank you for stopping by. If you find this content useful, please do subscribe and like, and you can as well post your comments, queries and questions, and even suggestions for better production and for you to be notified when new videos are released.